G'day guys and girls, welcome to my channel Nitro XR, and on today's video I'm going to be removing my rocker cover and getting it ready to be painted. Thanks for watching.
Interesting. Next one. Oh. Come on. Surely I can do it up that tight. Come on. I did. Simmer down next time. That's better. Much better. Oh man, tedious. Last coil pop. Right. I can stay, I reckon. Left. Right, okay. Left. Right. Sure I can't. How is that? Professional mechanic on the go. I'm sure I remember to get that out. Didn't happen. Okay, start again. Reverse. Okay. I will clean these up soon. Hey, this drill does not have much get up and go. Better one. Try to let that debris in there. Okay. Much better. Why I wish I had a garage. Wind. Okay. Oh, is that bracket at the end? Son of a first time I've ever done this, so we're basically learning together. I know the probably be some professional mechanics watching this, so anything I do you don't like, let me know and I'll change my ways. I've applied for a mechanics apprenticeship at Jackson Motor Company. The interview went well, so hopefully I'll be learning the good way to do things very shortly. What else? What is left? What am I missing? Last two at the back. Take them out. While I'm doing that, and back in just to cover the hole. Last two just suck. Oh mate. Don't get me in the way. Move your ass. Look, there's the camera up there.
Oh yeah, you can.
It's filming. It's cool, isn't it?
Look at this part. It says spin.
Yeah, that's the hood latch.
Yeah, look.
Holds the hood down when you close it. It's pretty cool, huh?
Wow, look at this engine. It's so cool.
Taking the top piece off, this piece. The rocker cover.
Ah, yeah.
So you can paint it. It's gonna look awesome. Arsehole. Puddle. Wait, where does that bracket go? And back again. Mate, this is annoying. Come on, get out. Ah, shit. Let's see this one. Oh, come on, babe. Come on. Come on. Yes, bitch. Number 2. Okay, the bracket can be moved out the way to some degree. Oh. I'm sure this will help. We'll see. Okay, so Dum Dum figured out where the problem was. Due to this being my first time, I skimmed over the book and forgot that I have to remove these. Dickhead. Oh well, we're all learning. They are the oil seal guides, I believe it says. Let's find out. Remove the oil control seal. Okay, so it's the oil control seal mounting bolts. Bam. Looked over it. Skimmed past it, made myself a plug. And now we found the problem. So, back to it. Alright, let's fix this issue. Why, what are you doing? Backing? I was wondering, when you get a free chance, no rush, but we're just going to see if you happen to have a size 7 socket, or 7mm, sorry, because mine's gone missing, and I've got to the last part of taking the rocker cover off and it's fucking size 7. I'm pretty sure I've got a 6 and an 8 spanner, and one's too big and one's too small, so it's got to be 7. Okay, we've got shit to do then. Alright mate, thanks for that. See ya. Don't like touching these things. Makes me nervous. So we're going to be turning it counterclockwise and then pull it straight out, and bam, there she is. And she slots out nice and good. Keep her safe somewhere. Pretty cool looking, eh? Anyway, we'll go tuck her away somewhere safe. as you can see, I finally managed to pop the lovely component up. I've made rocker cover. This created a lot of issues, so I think next time I attempt a job like this, I might be removing this air intake system altogether, including the throttle body and the intake manifold. It made it quite difficult, but I finally got it free. So I had to take out the mounting bolts at the back, centre front, or centre rear, centre front, and at the front I had to take out the, what was that called, oil control valve. I could not get the second one out at all for some reason, so I actually suggest not taking either of them out, because if you manage to push it far enough back you can clear them. It's quite a challenge though with this on here, so next time if you do this job I recommend removing this, which looks like brackets there. Also a pain in the ass, to be honest. I don't want to have to remove that, so I'll see how I go. I might see if I can remove this oil pressure valve after I've removed the rocker cover entirely. Alright, hey there. After all that fucking around, finally managed to get it to budge more. So this piece here, where the bracket screw originally was getting wedged. You can't see the bracket there. That was not fucking. So I finally managed to clear the bracket. Now I'll be able to take the rest of it out. Not a fun job. I'm sure there's an easier way, but we'll figure it out. Putting it back in will be fun. Oh yeah. Well, as you can see, I got the arsehole off. Here's the bracket, just with the hose on top there. That is the bracket that made life a bitch, because it got wedged over that little lip, or where the screw bolts on, got wedged over that. It made it quite hard, but we got there. And that is my valve train. Looking pretty decent, what I can tell anyway. I ain't no qualified mechanic, so let me know if you guys spot anything of interest. As you can see, I could not get this out for some reason, because if I could have got that out, it would have been so much easier to clear, because you have to pull the rocker cover back and up to clear it. So this one came out, which, you know, gives me like probably 6 centimeters, I'd say, of clearance, because I couldn't get this one out. 6 centimeters? I don't know, 3. I'm off tops. 3 centimeters of clearance roughly, which makes a big difference when you're trying to get the rocker cover out and you've got minimal moving space in the rear here and that stupid bracket. But we got there. So I'll be calling it quits for tonight, because I can't be bothered cleaning it and painting it now because it took longer than I expected. But I'll give it a go in the morning.